Breaking news just in. Donald Trump's private jet is now reportedly in the IRS crosshairs as explosive claims about unpaid taxes begin to surface. Is this a routine audit, or the start of something much bigger? Tonight, we break down what's being alleged, what it could mean, and why Washington is suddenly buzzing. Intro. Welcome back to the channel. If you're following major political and legal developments, you'll want to stay until the end, because this story is moving fast. Reports indicate that federal tax authorities are taking a closer look at financial matters connected to Trump's aircraft operations, and questions are now being raised about potential unpaid tax obligations. But what exactly is happening? Section 1. What triggered this? According to emerging sources, the IRS is reviewing financial documentation tied to the ownership, maintenance, and operational structure of Trump's private jet. High-value assets like private aircraft often involve complex tax filings, including depreciation claims, business expense deductions, and leasing arrangements. If discrepancies are found, it could open the door to penalties, fines, or further investigation. However, at this stage, it's important to note, an IRS review does not automatically mean wrongdoing. Section 2. Why this matters. Private jets aren't just luxury items, they're financial structures. From corporate registration to operational write-offs, every detail matters. If questions are being raised about unpaid taxes or improper deductions, the financial implications could be significant. And politically? Even more so. With Trump remaining a central figure in the national spotlight, any federal scrutiny instantly becomes headline material. Section 3. Legal and political fallout. Legal analysts say that cases involving high-profile individuals and asset taxation can quickly become complicated. There are layers. Was the jet categorized as personal or business use? Were deductions filed correctly? Or were all tax obligations properly reported? Trump's team has not publicly confirmed any violation, and supporters argue that financial reviews of major assets are common for large business operations. Still, critics say this could signal broader financial scrutiny ahead. Section 4. What happens next? So what's next? If the IRS determines there are discrepancies, they could issue formal notices, demand additional documentation, impose financial penalties, or escalate the matter if serious violations are found. But investigations of this nature can take months, sometimes years, to resolve. For now, much of the story remains in the verification phase. Closing. Is this simply routine oversight? Or the beginning of another major financial battle? One thing is certain, when federal tax authorities and high-profile political figures collide, the stakes are always high. We'll continue tracking every update as this story develops. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss breaking coverage. What do you think, routine audit or something bigger? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned.